Let's learn how to use an ATM in Jamaica quick and fast so you don't have to take 5 minutes to do a withdrawal. For this transaction, we're going to be using the top feature or the contactless feature, which is more secure than inserting your card. You see the Wi-Fi looking icon? You want to put your card against it, so like you're tapping on it, okay? Then you're going to simply enter your PIN. On the screen, select the transaction that you want to perform. In this case, it's a touch screen, right? So if it's not a touchscreen machine, select the button that is adjacent or in line with the option. So from the screen, select your withdrawal amount. If the amount is not on the screen that you want to withdraw, then you select the other option and enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw. So here, I'm going to withdraw $10,000. Now, select your account number. Select yes if you want a receipt. That's literally it. So why are some people taking 20 minutes to complete a simple transaction? So even if you're doing 5, 6, 7 transactions, it shouldn't be taking you 20 minutes to complete that withdrawal. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.